This is a video on how to solve multi-step equations. There are all kinds of different types. Here's just an example. You can see that we have 4 and then parentheses, minus 3 and then parentheses. So the first thing that I would say to do is to distribute the 4 and distribute that negative 3. So to distribute the 4 times x, 4 times a negative 8, and then negative 3, that minus sign goes with 3, times 2x is negative 6x, and negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Drop the equals down, drop the 10. So the first thing we did was distribute. Then we're going to combine like terms. Now since here's my equal sign, I'm going to look for everything that are like terms on this side of the equation. There's nothing to do over here where the 10 is. So I have a 4x and a negative 6x, which I'm going to combine. They're on the same side, so I just put them together. That's negative 2x. And I've got negative 32 and negative 12. I'm combining those to get negative 44. And I'm dropping down the equals and the 10. Now this is just like a two-step problem. So from here it's a two-step equation. We're going to add 44 to both sides. I'm going to drop down my negative 2x. I'm going to drop down my equals. I'm going to add 44 to 10. I'm going to divide by negative 2. And I get x equals negative 27. Different type of equation. 4 plus 6 times x minus 9 minus 3 over 5 equals, let's just go 10. So this problem, we're just going to try to simplify it as best we can. So the first thing I would do here is I would distribute the 6. So the numerator is going to look like this. 4 drops down, 6 times x, and 6 times a negative 9. I have a numerator with a bunch of stuff in it. I know that 4, negative 54, and negative 3 all combine should be negative 53, so it's 6x minus 53 over 5 equals 10. And then I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. That cancels the denominator of 5, leaving just the 6x minus 53 equals 10 times 5 is 50. If I add 53 to both sides, I get 6x equals 103. If I divide by 6, I get 103 over 6. And I'm pretty sure that does not reduce. So 103 over 6 is my answer. So that's just a couple examples of solving multi-step equations. And really, a lot of times it's distribute, combine, and then you're left with a much simpler problem. Let's just do one more for good measure. Maybe a little easier than that. Let's go with x minus 4 all over 2 plus 7 equals, let's do negative 5. Here I would get rid of this positive 7 by subtracting 7. Negative 5 minus 7 is the negative 12. I would get rid of the division by 2. Using multiplication by 2, cancels that 2. We get x minus 4 equals 2 times 12 is 24. Keep it negative because of the negative sign. Add 4 to both sides. And x equals negative 20. So the object is to get the multi-step equation down to a 2-step equation. And that's pretty much it.